Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery inside of a fake candle. Right here I have a fake candle and I'm going to change the battery in it because the battery died and I want it to light it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fake candle, I'm going to flip it upside down. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it is in the off position. Right now it's in the off position. So what I'm going to do is now open up the battery back to it. You see this part right here? This comes off. In order for it to come off, I'm going to have to, as you can see, it says right here, it says insert something and then turn it and it comes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my flathead screwdriver and we're going to put it in right here and right into the slot. It fits in perfectly. Make sure it's secure, snug fit inside of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screwdriver and spin it left or go counterclockwise with it. And do you see when I did that? It took it right here to where this backing can come off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, the backing, and it comes off. And you see inside there is a battery in here. It says CR32. So what I'm going to do with this, I have to take this battery out and replace it with a fresh battery right here. I have Duracell Child Secure. It has a bitter coating to it, so to keep children and perhaps pets from chewing this battery and swallowing it, has a bitter coating to it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. This is the battery inside, and what I have to do is I have to get this out. Now I believe it's spring loaded, so I'm going to go ahead and take this and find a slot in here. And this came out a little bit. It wasn't supposed to go like that, but hey, that's the way life is sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm just going to pop out the battery. Or at least try. Let's see how I can get this out. That's all I do is just tap it down. So once I've done that, what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go ahead and take this, put it down, and then I'm going to get out a fresh bitter coating battery. Okay, so this is CR. Alright, so it came out pretty cool, but it's in a packaging that is difficult to get out, so bear with me as opposed to lying with me or tiger-ing with me. I'm going to go ahead and get some scissors in order to get this out of the pack. Alright. So I have this outside of the pack. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut along the edge, avoiding cutting the battery altogether. And go ahead, slide this out. So this is the battery. It's a CR2032. And I'm going to insert this back inside of the fake candle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it inside the same way that the old battery was in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and take this, place this in there, flat side up, and then flat side up. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. All right. Everything is going just as planned. Just want to show you that though I am an influencer, I am not Jesus, I am not perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this, place this back to the way it was, place it inside. It's all inside. Alright, so I placed this back the way it was. So to test this out, actually I'm not going to test this out because, you know what, even though I'm not perfect, I am close to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place the cap back on, just like this. And then I'm going to take the screwdriver and I'm going to go ahead and turn it back into place. Now that this is all back to the way it originally was before with the old battery. Now remember, discard of this. Don't leave this hanging around because you don't want children and pets to actually consume this. So once this is in here, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to see if it works. Just like that. And that is how you change the battery inside of a fake candle. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.